NAS Jacksonville Police Department. Police Officer Leahy, a former United States Navy veteran with 14 years of service, transitioned to the NAS Jacksonville Police Department in 2016 and became a police officer in 2020. As a patrol supervisor, he has demonstrated
Good afternoon and welcome to Game Day Live, presented by Ford. Ryan Sexton with the great thing.
They're going to always follow. They just want to see it out of you. We've seen a lot out of Josh. You know, he's that leader. He doesn't see a lot of something.
Ladies and gentlemen, please stand at the area and remove your hats as we honor America with our national anthem. The colors today are created by the 80 Junior ROTC from Bishop Kenny High School, and the field flags are being held by Jaguars season ticket members. Joining us in the South End today to honor our Salute to Service celebration are the champions of the 2025 Battle of the Ranges Tournament, U.S. Army, Fort Worth. And now, here to perform the Stars Medal of Honor, please welcome retired U.S. Air Force Master Sergeant Nolani Wintello.
Said bright stars
Video boards and keep your eyes on football. Ready, set, go!
Game day live in the motion football. The Los Angeles Chargers, they just take them down.
Yeah.
They dissected them. We talked all week about a response to last week. Heard the response was, we're ready for more.
Yeah, this has always been a good football team.